Salut d'amour, circles F, G, H, and I. That's at the end of bar number 18. A very slow tutorial of how to put the hands together. We start with left hand 5 on A, where the mezzo forte mark is, right hand thumb on A. At the same time, I would use pedal with this so that you can get the sustained sound, but you don't have to if you can't at this point. Left hand 5 on D, right hand on F sharp. Left hand 4th, right hand thumb on A, both hands at the same time. Left hand F sharp, right hand 4 on E. Hold on to that F sharp. Keep holding on that F sharp. Right hand F sharp. Keep holding on that F sharp. Both hands. 5s together. E in the left, G in the right. Left hand G, D, 5th. Right thumb on the B flat. Both hands at the same time. Left hand 5th, right hand G. Pick up the left hand and move it down to A. At the same time, right hand 4 is on F sharp. You need the pedal to hold it down. Left hand 1 and 3 leaps up. Right hand E, step. Harmonic 4th again in the left. Now we're at bar 23, circle G. Left hand has 5D. At the same time as right hand is F sharp. Take your time. Left hand 2 F sharp, 1 on A. Magic circle, left hand's going to be 4 on the C sharp. At the same time that thumb is going to go on the A sharp. You're going to split apart to go E and A sharp at the same time as F sharp. Both hands D, B left hand, E in the right. Magic circle DB with the right hand D. Step right C sharp. Both hands F sharp A, D at the same time. Pick up left hand and go to 5 on E. Both hands are E. Right hand is 4th finger. Left hand G sharp D. Move the right hand to the E by itself. And you've got a magic circle where you're still holding that E at the top. Pinkies are still holding. Pick up your left hand and move down to the A. This is where it gets a little bit tougher. We have the harmonic 3rd in the right hand with the A in the left. Right hand steps at the same time as thumb playing G and A at the same time. This is where you've got the finger switch. Put the 4 on the E at the same time as playing the A. And then you've got magic circle. Split it apart. Right hand F sharp octave. Bring up the left hand to D. Harmonic 6th left. Thumb in the right hand moves to A. Magic circle. 4th in the left, F sharp right. Bring up that 4th finger F sharp left. 4 in the E right. Magic circle. 4th in the left, D right. C sharp all by itself. Going to cross the thumb under for that D, but you're going to play A sharp now with the 2. 3 is already hovering over the G in the left. 5 is on B right. 3rd with 1 and 2. F sharp with the B. Slide in left hand to get that thumb onto the D sharp. Remove that right hand up for the 3 and the 2. With the E in the left. Magic circle, step right thumb. You're going to have C sharp, and then a harmonic 5th right. You're already there. Bring your right hand down, bring your left hand down. A in the left, A F sharp right. A octave left. Bring the 6th down. Thumb on the A. And then 2 and 4. 2 is on F sharp. You're already there left hand. 1 and 2 left. E, G. Right hand, E, C sharp. Same third left. Split apart, pinkies on Ds. Hold that pedal down. Bring the left hand 4 up to F sharp. Thumb is on the D. And that's repeated. Move the left hand up so that 3 is on the A, 2 is on this F sharp right hand. Repeat that. Bring the left hand 2 up to that F sharp you just played. And then switch so that you're here. Sorry about the splat.